Would you love to know how to post to just certain groups of your friends so that only certain people will see your posts and not everyone? Because you know it's not always the best thing for everyone to see every single one of your posts. They're just not applicable to people, and face it, some posts offend people and you wouldn't want them to see it. And also friends lists are a great way to establish a relationship, build that relationship with other people. For example, like your customers and potential customers, it would be great to just develop that friendship. So there's that know, like, and trust factor. So there's a gazillion reasons why you want to categorize your friends into friends lists. Okay, so I had a question today on how to post then to just one certain list. Okay, and if you don't know how to put your friends in friends list, watch my previous video on this. I'll post the link below. Okay, so I want to make a post here, and I start to type in what I want to say. All right, now how to do this is you'll click on here where it says friends, a little caret tab, and it'll bring down public. If you want your post to show to everyone on the internet so anyone can see it, you can post it public. A lot of times you may not want to do that, especially if it has your children on it or something. You would probably not want public. Friends, that's obvious. Okay, now you can do only me if you're testing something. You can do friends except a certain group, a certain list that you've already pre-made, okay? And you can also do specific friends where you can just add all sorts of different groups or to a post, to all the different groups that your post is applicable to, okay? And then there's custom, where you can include and exclude friends. So you might say, show this to this group of people and this group of friends, but not this group of friends. Okay, and there's various reasons why you'd want to do that. Again, you might want to say friends except, you know, maybe a group of people who have opposite political views as you, and you want to post something political. You might want to exclude those people just to keep your friends, right? Facebook's not the best place to try to ever change anybody's mind about things like that. Okay, so another thing is, like, here I had this one I had posted to friends except the other consultants in my company. And why did I do that? Because I found, you know, if I was doing a post about my product or my testimonial and I was wanting potential customers to see it, if I had the other consultants in my company see the post, and they are more likely to like it and comment on it, Facebook's algorithm is going to say, hey, apparently everybody who's a consultant for this company likes this post, so I'm going to show it to more people in this company, and I might just show it to just those people. So that means the people I wanted to see the post, potential customers, potential teammates, were not seeing it because of Facebook algorithm. So that's why I put the exception for my direct sales company. Okay, so this is how you do it. You just click on one of these, right? And that will show it to, you know, and then here's all my lists down here. I can just, you know, go and click one that I want to show it to. Like this one, I have other direct sales consultants. So I might want to post something to people in other direct sales companies, right, about my training that I have for direct sales or something like that. So as you can see, as you start thinking about this, you're going to see the potential is unlimited for why you'd want to put your friends in different groups. And like, say one is like, I might put, let's see, maybe different Facebook groups you're in. You might want to, if you get a new friend from one of those Facebook groups and you're connecting, you might want to do this just kind of as notes to yourself to see where you met this person, where you met this friend, what you have in common, right? Because sometimes you have a friend and you're like, where did this friend come from? I don't know who she is, right? Or what we have in common. So that's why you want to tag them and put them in a list right away when you friend them. So you're like, oh yeah, I met her in this blogging group. Okay, so she's a fellow blogger, and that will help me know how to communicate with her. Okay, so that's just, you can just see the potential is huge for why you would want to do that. Okay, so another helpful thing to do is, let's see, we'll go to, let's see, it's not here. I have to go to my home page. And if you go over to the left, okay, see more, you're going to see friends lists. Okay, click this. Okay, now I'm going to go to my customers for my direct sales company. So this is a way to quickly see all of the posts from my customers so that I can just go on and quickly and comment on each of their posts just to keep that connection going. Okay, so don't just like, put a comment there, which means a lot more, and it helps just establish that relationship so you have a good relationship with your customers. So that's how, if you want to just see certain group, or maybe family, you might want to click on family and just see what they're posting, because you maybe want to stay in touch more with your family. So as you can see, the potential is unlimited for friends lists. And that's just a couple tips there on how you do that. All right, till next time.